So, Captain Boggs finally come to his senses.
He's given your request for disclosure careful consideration.
I'm sure he has.
All relevant material is inside.
Good, good. I am one man you do not want to get in a fight with. You can go now.
Captain Bach wanted me to make certain you understood the material.
Anti-American bastard. Bringing Clyde into this. What does he want?
We're looking for something similar on a mutual enemy. We know we can count on your cooperation.
The office is temporarily shut down.
Kennedy?
Albano suggests I pay Mr. Hoover a little visit.
Yeah. Nice little home visit might be in order.
Let's be smart here, Mr. Hoover. I want you to get out of bed real slow.
What kind of filth sent you
We're looking for a film. A home movie. I believe it was discussed at a meeting in Mississippi.
All relevant material is inside.
Good, good.
We're looking for something similar on a mutual enemy. We know we can count on your cooperation.
Anti-American bastard. Bringing Clyde into this.
Edgar? Edgar, what's going on?
I'll handle this.
Over here.
If your employer needs something, he should have offered something.
He is. You get to have America go on thinking you're a real man. Okay, back inside.
It's in here.
Your underwear drawer?
Take it.
You keep your blackmail in your bedroom.
That's where the best kind's always found.
They made such a happy couple.